Skinsy, the producer.
This is Northern Bypass Road. It's now 8:10. Actually, safari iko nafaa nianze around 7, but nikachelewa kwa nyumba, so nimeanza around 8:10, around 8. So it has been 10 minutes of walking. So this is the Northern Bypass stretch. We are walking all the way to Yaya Centre. Today is going to be the biggest episode because I'll be breaking my own record. This is about 23-25 kilometers of walking, and I intend to get there by 11. So let's see if I'll beat time to have walked this distance in only less than Equity Edge. I'm still calling out on you. Mamba kuniambia, I don't know your liquidity provider. Who is your liquidity provider? How can I be stopped out at a distance 20 pips from my stop loss? Imeniuma. And this was the first time. Actually, right now I'm in a 5% drawdown when I've actually lost 1%. Equity Edge, Equity Edge, Equity Edge, Equity Edge. It's now 8:33. I'm at Ridgeways. This is Ridgeways. Look at the vastness of this place. The place looks good. I like what I'm seeing. The walk to trade. Today we are breaking the record. Not walk more than 20 kilometers. You can see the weather is not bad. This side is very clear. Very, very clear. But if I pan the camera to this side, you can see it's cloudy. And perhaps it might be raining anytime, but I think not from now. So we are at Ridgeways. This is Ridgeways. It's a shortcut. Nimechana na bypass road iko kule. So I've taken shortcut Ridgeways here. It's going to connect with Kiambu Road. Alright, 20 kilometers walking. It's a walk to tread. It's now 8:52. 8:52. Now we are on Kiambu Road. We've entered Kiambu Road.
Skinsy, the producer.
So this is Muthaiga North Road on your way to Radio 47. Cape Media. I think Cape Media along this road. If you go like this, you get to Cape Media. This is Kiambu Road. Karura Forest. So this is Karura Forest entrance. Wale wasakuja hiking huko gate, this is gate C. You know we have different gates, but now this is gate C along Kiambu Road. This is gate C along Kiambu Road.
Purchase your tracks today.
I think this is Muthaiga Golf Course. Muthaiga Golf Course. The golfers, people love or like playing golf. Yeah, this is Muthaiga Golf Course. When you see Muthaiga Square, you know now we are at Muthaiga. Now tick back to Thika Road. Kiambu Road is ending. We are getting back to Thika Road. Yeah, it has been a very good walk. More than 10 kilometers now done in 1 hour and a half of it. Yeah, so that is how life is at times. It is, you have to make tough choices at times. At times you choose to make tough choices for a better tomorrow. Yeah, this is Muthaiga Square. As you can see, we are now heading over to Thika Road. So this is Uhuru Highway. This is the University of Nairobi. And there was a comrade here, though at Kenya Science. Guys, it's now 10:40 now on Processional Way. Hii barabara niliwapitishia on episodes around 2 or 3, so I'll not do more videos in this road again. You can still go and watch the video. Yeah, but this is a different angle. So I'm now here heading to Yaya Centre. It's 10:40. Our target was to get there at least by 11. I think we're able to keep our target. Yeah, but for now, for this first edition, the video I'm going to put it to a close, because now this road I've already captured for you. The video is there. Thank you guys for keeping it locked here. This is a walk to trade. In case you are new here, we are doing a journey to show the real struggles that these successful people go through. Alright, I'm intending to do more than 20 episodes just to show you the struggles that I'm going through, and it's going to be a walk video showing you how I'm walking through different parts of Nairobi just to be able to trade. Just to be able to trade. Now, those who don't know this, the money I'm saving, I'm putting it up for trading, not necessarily the money that I have in my trading account. I already have money in my trading account, but to trade you need like internet and what have you. So the money I could have used for fare throughout this month, I paid Wi-Fi. Alright? So what remains to be able to balance the equation, because now I don't have money for fare because I paid Wi-Fi using it, I'm now working to cover up for the money. But why did I pay Wi-Fi? I pay Wi-Fi so that I can access internet to trade. That's why it's called a walk to trade. Goodbye.